Welcome to 3510 Woodmont Boulevard in one of the best locations in all of Nashville in terms of access to downtown. You're less than 10 minutes to Broadway, and you have all of the luxury shopping and restaurants Green Hills has to offer less than 2 miles down the road. And not only is this an incredible location, you are situated on a 1-acre lot with a completely fenced-in private backyard surrounded by mature trees on the entire property. I'm standing here in the motor court where you have extra guest parking off the driveway, 4 true car garages, and you have a custom design landscaping package and a custom design landscape lighting package, which looks incredible at night. You have a unique elevation to Nashville. This home is a Hamptons-inspired home, which has a perfect blend of stone facade and cedar shake. And when you're standing here in this motor court, the proportions of this home are just stunning. This home was built by Craftsman Residential. I'm Brandon Johns with the Coleman Johns Group. I'm super excited to give you guys a tour of 3510 Woodmont Boulevard. So welcome inside, guys. Now I first want to point out that you have this beautiful custom designed entry door that leads you right into your foyer, which all of the details that Craftsman Residential is known for starts to take center stage in this home. Here in the foyer, you have light fixtures that line your gallery hallway and custom millwork that flows right into your dining room off the left here, which has wallpaper lined walls and layered ceiling millwork. Now, for the signature moment in this house, off to the right, you have this grand stair hall. You have this completely custom designed staircase and handrail with double height ceilings and a wall of oversized windows that light up this entire space. And the feeling that this room gives you is just truly indescribable. You have to experience it for yourself. On our way to the kitchen, you have your first powder bath tucked away here. And as soon as you walk into this kitchen space, you can feel the elevated 12-foot ceilings. And you have 3 kitchen islands here, which makes this space truly functional. These 2 prep islands are right off of your 2 sub-zero columns, fridge and freezer, and in between here, you have your 48-inch wolf range. And a nice little feature here is you have these pop-up plugs, which keeps everything seamless. And then over here, right off of your social island, you have your second sink, dishwashers on both sides of the sink. And this social island here can fit 8 to 10 guests easily. Now, if it weren't for the stair hall, this might be the signature space in this home. Here in the scullery, you have even more custom cabinetry. You have your 3rd sink. You have wine storage over here, a separate wine fridge that holds 48 bottles, a separate beverage fridge, and a nice little feature that Craftsman always does is you actually have plugs up under the cabinets as well to keep that clean look. Now, one more thing, you have your microwave, Wolf microwave here. And I mean, let me just give you a little bit more emphasis on the cabinets here. I mean, look at this. This is in your scullery. You have even more cabinet space here in the kitchen, cabinets in the islands, above your sub-zero columns. I mean, it's everywhere here in Craftsman. They went over the top. Now, this is a great segue because there's actually built-in cabinets here in the great room. This is also a good time to point out that you have 9-inch wide white oak floors throughout the entire home. And in between this custom built-in cabinetry, you have this intricate detailed stucco fireplace. Now, right off of your great room, you have your rear covered porch. Let's go take a look outside. So right off of your great room and kitchen, you have your rear covered porch. This is all screened in. And you also have more peacock paver stones. You have a total of over 900 square feet in your outdoor living area. And then a nice little detail that I want to show you here is, this is an uncovered section, but this is great for when you're out grilling. And even a nice little detail that Craftsman added as well is, this is right into the scullery. So this window opens right out. You can pass from the kitchen to your grill seamlessly. Now before we head inside, your porch looks out onto your private backyard. It's fully fenced in. You've got mature trees, a flat 1 acre lot, so it's perfect for a pool. And considering the location, it doesn't get much better than this. So this hallway on the way to your primary suite is a great space that separates you from your entertaining areas with your primary bedroom. And as you can see, this gorgeous built-in and even more custom cabinetry. Now, once you walk into your primary suite, you have 12-foot elevated ceilings and oversized windows that look right out onto your private backyard. Right off your bedroom, you have your primary bathroom. You have 2 custom built-in cabinet towers, one on each side, one for jewelry, one for linens. As you come in here, you have oversized large vanities, tons of space. You have your 0-entry shower, and there's actually heated floors throughout your bathroom that's controlled in a panel here, but you can also program that to your specific schedule. Now, right off the primary bathroom, come on over here with me, you have your walk-in closet with 2 defined spaces. You have 2 drawer stacks on each side of the walk-in closet and plenty of space for all of your clothing and accessories. And to top it all off, right off of your primary closet, you have this fully functional laundry room with even more storage, cabinetry, and then right off of the laundry room, you actually have your own home dedicated office space with a custom built-in desk. Making our way up the stairs, you have 3 additional bedrooms, all ensuite bathrooms. You have your second full-size laundry room, and you have this rec room that you can turn into a media room, a game room, whatever you see fit for your lifestyle. You also have a powder bath tucked around the corner there, and then behind that door, you have an additional 200 square feet of unconditioned space for storage. And that is not the only storage that you have in this house. Above each of the 2-car garages, you have pull-down attic access for 400 square feet in each garage. And then also the garage spaces have 25 feet in depth, allowing for 2 foot of cabinet space. And also you could fit a long truck or SUV in there as well. This home has 7,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 2 half baths, built by Craftsman Residential on a 1 acre lot, minutes to downtown Nashville and Green Hills, surrounded by mature trees with a fully fenced in backyard. I'm Brandon Johns with the Coleman Johns Group. I'm super excited to show you 3510 Woodmont Blvd. Thanks so much for watching.